Education Minister of Manipur, Tanaujam Basandakumar Singh, has urged the people to extend their support and cooperation in making education a disturbance-free zone, all the while appealing the students to refrain from non-academic activities such as meetings and rallies. Minister T.H. Basandakumar addressed the media concerning a Facebook post dated September 16 that went viral on social media, calling for a supposed meeting at DM University on September 18 to discuss ongoing issues, inviting participation from all students of Manipur. He expressed concern over the said post, pointing out that it lacked a signature as well as the name of any union or organization. The minister stated that he does not encourage students of Manipur to participate in the said meeting and lamented over supposed attempts by anti-social elements to disrupt the learning environment. He further added that another Facebook post was made today by the Dhana Manjur University Students' Union, clearly stating that they are not associated in any way with the rally planned for tomorrow. Additionally, another post from the 6 student bodies of the state confirmed that there was no agitation or plans to carry out protests at this time, he said. He stated that a group with no official identity or affiliation with any recognized organization is allegedly attempting to destabilize the educational sector. He informed that the education sector incurred losses in the past few days owing to the prevailing situation in the state. The minister further assured that the Education Department is making all-out efforts to boost the education sector and reiterated his appeal to the public for the support in maintaining a disturbance-free environment in the educational institutions. Furthermore, the minister warned of legal actions against those participating in tomorrow's unauthorized rally. He emphasized that the law enforcement agencies will take necessary actions against anyone found involved in activities that disrupt the peace and stability of the education sector.
Yesterday, that's the 16th of September, that the students' rally and meeting is going to be held at DMU campus. Tomorrow is the 18th of September. That all students of Manipur should assemble and they will present issue Manipur will be taken up there and certain decisions will be taken. So that is a Facebook post that has been posted, and we got reports from our security agencies after doing due background checks that certain people are instigating this sort of meeting for tomorrow, which is illegal. They have not taken any permission to have a meeting or have a rally for tomorrow. So without any permission from the concerned authorities, no such meeting or rally can be held. And we, as a government, and as the law enforcement agency, we will take up appropriate action. Preventive action also we are taking. And tomorrow, as required, we will take action. We request such people, because these people who have posted this, we don't know who they are also. They are called all Manipur students. Nothing else after that. No union, no organization. So who are they? Are they some people who are trying to create trouble within our already troubled state? Are they trying to instigate students who are innocent, who should be in classrooms? And a student's place is inside the classroom. Please let us be clear. And a students should not be called out from the classes and on the streets. Students should not be on the streets. Students should be learning. As students, by definition itself, is to study. His duty is to study. Her duty is to study. So we would like our people, the parents, also to give proper counseling to their own children that they should not indulge or participate in such illegal rallies or meetings. And at the same time, we are taking all preventive measures. We are having people with video cameras. We will film those people who are instigating, and we will take appropriate action. We will put them in jail. All those who are instigating our students to do illegal activities, we will put in jail. And I promise you this, we will take up legal action against them. Instigators, we will catch them also. Enough is enough. And as I said, in a year, academic year, we have designated 229 days for students to attend, and already 153 days have passed. Out of this, 19 face any loss. So we're going to make up for that. Saturdays we'll have classes, then our vacations will be shortened also. We'll make sure that the syllabus is covered. But we request such anti-social elements, I would rather call them criminal elements. Because if you indulge in such activities which are against the law, you are acting like a criminal. So we have appropriate laws which are here. Section 1032, punishment under causing murder. Our SP, Imphal West, he was fired upon by miscreants from automatic weapons. It's good that he did not, fire back, otherwise civilians will have this thing. Is there an aim to get our civilians injured by firing from behind? This is unfortunate. And students should not be used as a shield for anti-social activities. And we have under the Bharatiya Samhita Act 2023,